Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So we have to begin with opening the settings and finding the display options. Let's tap on them. Now let's tap on the night light. As you can see, it is kind of highlighted here, so let's tap on it. And before we'll be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher. And you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can change the intensity of that feature by using this switcher at the top, kind of at the top. So the first switcher. By going to the left, we can set it on the low point, on the low side. So I would say it is not really that visible that we've got the night light applied, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer and much more intense. Of course, it's up to you which level is the best for you, just to use it. Here we can also reduce the white point, which will reduce the intensity of bright colors. We can set it on high, so as you can see the whole screen will be much darker, and we can set it also on low, so it will be just like normal. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. It basically really looks like just a standard brightness option. So that was the manual customization. If you want to, you can also turn this option automatically just by tapping on the switcher. We can set it the custom time. So let's tap on it. And we've got two different options again. Custom time, so we can choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the option automatically and accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and your device will basically automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. It's up to you whether you want to use this automatic option or not. I prefer the manual one. So that was the whole customization, as I said, and if you want to have much faster access to it, so you won't have to go through all of the settings, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those icons, and here we have to try to find the night light. We've got the read mode, but that's not what we are looking for. And as you can see, unfortunately, it is not visible here, so we do not really have the eye comfort or reading mode icon, or the night light, sorry, not the reading mode icon, but that's okay, no worries. All we have to do is to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and now we have to localize our night light, which is right here. So let's tap on it and hold it, and now we can drag it to this first section to apply it to the shortcuts. You can choose the position where it will be, and if you're happy with your choice, just go back. And as you can see, the night light is visible. So let's simply tap on it to apply it. You can see that the screen turns yellowish according to the customization we previously set, and we can turn it off quickly just by tapping on it again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.